GA3 or universal property has stopped processing data. To continue measuring website performance, set up Google Analytics for property. Hello everyone, this is Abir. In this video, I will show you how we'll do GA4 enhanced e-commerce tracking very easily on your Shopify website without any coding knowledge. Anyone can set it with Google Tag Manager template. Good news, everything is ready in this template. You don't need to create any tags, triggers and variables. And all variables are dynamic. Just you need to change the GA4 measurement ID. Here is the GA4 measurement ID and publish and submit the container. Then GA4 e-commerce tracking will be done. I will give the template link in the video description box. We will need this for GA4 e-commerce tracking. We need a Shopify website access. I know you have already the Shopify website access. The second is Google Tag Manager account or container. The third one is Shopify data layer for enable GA4 events. And what is the data layer? If I visit my store, if I open any product, and this is the data layer checker extension, and you can see here is no product information here. And we need dynamic product information for GA4 e-commerce tracking. And data layer must be needed. We cannot track without the data layer. The fourth is we need Google Analytics for measurement ID or the GA4 account. And the last one is we need GTM Ecommerce tracking template. I will give the template link in the video description box. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to create tag manager and GA4 container. If you have created a previous container, then there is no need to create a new one. If there is no previous container, then I will show you how to create it. Let's create it. For tag manager, create an account. Just write on search bar tagmanager.google.com and you can see your tag manager account, and enter your account name and choose your country and enter your container name and choose the web targeted platform and just create. And here is my blank tag manager container account. Now we need to create a Google Analytics account. I know already you have a Google Analytics 4 account. If not a Google Analytics 4 account, I am showing you how to create it. And write the analytics.google.com on the search bar, and you can also search on Google. You will see the analytics.google.com website, and enter your account name. Choose the account data sharing option and next, and enter your property creation. Enter your property name. Choose your reporting time zone and choose the time, and choose the currency. If you are using euro or your currency, you can choose this. And next, and describe your business. My business is, and choose your business size. My business size is small. Next, and choose your business object. My business is drive online sales, and create a GA4 account and container. And if you have already a GA4 container, you don't need to create this container again. Okay, and our GA4 container is created successful. Now we'll do GA4 e-commerce tracking using Google Tag Manager. Go to Google Tag Manager, and you can see here is your Google Tag Manager container ID. We need this ID to enable the Shopify data layer. And for enable Shopify data layer, you need the document file, Shopify data layer for GA4 server side and Facebook pixel conversion API, or you can use Pinterest for Pinterest pixel, TikTok pixel. And you can see here is the already guided here how to enable the Shopify data layer on your Shopify store. And we need to make create a new snippets. Go to your Shopify backend and select the theme, and go to your theme edit code and go down and select the snippets and create a add new snippets. The snippets name is the snippets value. This is the snippets name. Copy this snippets name and paste it. And here is our blank snippets. And the most important is, if you are using the euro currency, if you have your Shopify store is the USD currency, you have to choose the data layer code for USD or other currency. If you are use euro currency, you have to choose this euro currency data layer code. Okay, my store is USD currency. I am choosing the data layer USD currency data layer code. Just select on the doc file and copy the whole code. Copy and go to on theme and just paste it on data layer all pages. And make sure you have to change the GTM ID. Go to your tag manager account. You can see here is your container ID or GTM ID. Just copy and replace this and save. Again, go to the document file and copy this code. Go to theme.liquid file, just place before the close head tag. Just copy this code and go to on theme.liquid. Click on the head, double click on head, and you can see here is head closing. Just enter and paste the code and save this. And we have to do the setup on checkout code. And again, go to the data layer for USD or other currency. I'm selecting this and copy the all code. Here is the checkout pages code. Go to the Shopify, go to the settings and select the checkout go down and paste the code, and again we have to change the Google Tag Manager GTM container ID. Again copy the container ID and just replace this and save. Now we have to check our data layer enable or not. If I go to the Tag Manager preview, copy your store link and paste your store link and connect. Google Tag Assistant is connected successful. You can see here is all data showing. And if I open any product, and if I again click the data layer checker, you can see here is view item, data is fired, event is fired. This is view item, is event name, and here is the product details are showing. If I go to on Tag Assistant preview mode, you can see here is view item, data is showing. Now the final step is we need to import the GA4 Ecommerce GTM template and go to the admin, select the import container and choose the container file and choose the Shopify GA4 Ecommerce tracking JSON file, GTM template file, and select the exist, select the default workspace and confirm. And you can see here is all tags, figures and variables imported done. Now we need to replace the GA4 measurement ID. Go to on analytics, your analytics account, choose the data stream, select the data stream, choose the web platform and enter your website URL. Here is my website URL. You don't need to copy HTTPS because here is already have. Paste it and enter the website name and configure enhanced measurement. If you can ignore some events if you want, like I don't need file download, video engagement and form interaction and outbound clicks, or you can keep this and save it and create a stream. And you can see here is our stream name, our stream URL, website URL, stream ID. Close this and your measurement. Copy this measurement ID and go to Google Tag Manager and replace the measurement ID and save this and submit this. You can use any name, put it here and publish this. And our GA4 e-commerce tracking setup is done. Now we will check it's working or not properly. Okay, select the workspace. Sometime it will take time. Don't worry, just reload this page. And again go to preview option. Enter your website and connect. If I go to the Tag assistant preview mode, our GA4 configuration all pages fired one times. And you can see here is tags are not fired. If I select any products, if I do add to cart, also we can see live on the Google debug view, GA4 debug view. You can see here is our one device is connected, and you can see here is our view item add to cart is fired. If I go to our website, click on checkout, if I purchase any products, I'm entering our demo information. I'm using demo information. Continue to shipping. No thanks. If I enter the card number, and this is the temporary for testing, and you can see here is the thank you pages, and here is our order number, and the tag manager is successfully fired, but here is showing the white label. I think this is a bug, sometimes it's showing the bug, and our thank you page is fired. And if I select the transaction, okay, now let's see. If I select the summary, you can see here is the view item. If I select the view item tag, you can see here is the all events parameters are working perfectly using the data layer. The Google Tag Manager and pulled this data from using the data layer. Okay, if I go to the data layer, you can see here is the information. This is product information, and this is the dynamic information. And if I select the add to cart, go to tags, you can see here is everything is working and tag is fired. And I have not visited view cart, for the result is not working, and we have not clicked the begin checkout and the tag. Okay, let's see how to fix this begin checkout, and this is very important. The Shopify have a 3 plan basic. Okay, the basic plan is not supporting the begin checkout pages. For the reason we have to using the as a button click. Like if I go to Google Tag Manager and go on variables, and if through everything is click classes is everything is okay. If I go to triggers, so begin checkout, here is the begin checkout triggers. What do you need? Just we have to select any product add to cart and just click on the checkout and go on tag assistant preview mode. You can see here is the click option. Just click on this, go to data layer, variables, just copy this click text and replace the text. The checkout problem, it will be solved. Just select unequals and the checkout problem will be solved. Just again submit the container and you can use in there. If I go to again, because the the every store are different, Shopify store depend on the theme. Because I'm using the another theme, my previous theme was the begin checkout. Okay, and this theme is showing is only the checkout option. Okay, this is not a big issues. You can easily fix this. Go to preview again. If I already have a cart base, and if I just click on checkout, if I go to tag assistant preview mode, and you will see the begin checkout tag is fired. That's mean it's working. Okay, now we need to go on the analytics, and you can see here is every events are working perfectly. The begin checkout event is fired, and if I select the add to cart, you can see here is the information, the currency, the items, here is the quantity, item ID, the product price. Okay, and if I select the purchase, you can see here is the currency, here is the shipping charge $1, the tax 0, the transaction ID. Okay, the value is, and perfectly we have already purchased 3 products and everything is working fine. You don't need to create any text triggers or variable. That's it. You have now successfully set up GA4 Enhanced E-commerce on your Shopify website. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, you can directly contact me. You will find my contact details in the video description box. Thank you again for watching, and we will see in the next one.